Tommy, it's Phil. Now cut out all the reminiscing crap and listen to me, you hear? Good. I got me some extra strength Boomshine. It's nearing fermentation time, and I was wondering if you'd fancy having a shot. Seriously, Tommy. If you like a drink, or if you need to strip paint, this stuff will make a man out of you. Sure did out of me, even though I can't see out of one eye. I'll be waiting for you. You hear?
Call this socialism in action.
What'd I do to you?
Tommy, I had Sonny on the phone, okay? Are you with me? I don't know about you, but there's something about a man threatening to murder my family which really scares the crap out of me. What are you gonna do?
Ken, take it easy.
I am calm. Calm as a man can be when he's fearing for his life.
Stay off the idiot fuel and look after yourself. No one's gonna take us out. I'll see you later.
I am calm. Don't I sound calm? Must be impending death that is doing this to my voice.
Hey, Phil. How's it going?
Hey, Tommy! How you doing? It's been too long.
I swear you should lay off that Boomshine, man. It smells like paint stripper. It's making my eyes burn.
Shh, 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 Tommy. Hey, come over here because there's something I want to show you. Something.
Oof, God, should I be able to smell that from way over here?
Don't you worry about the
Phil,
smell,
oof.
Tommy. You just watch this. Shitty, cheap bandits or something. There's some more on the bench. Ta-da! Oh, damn! Watch out! Charlie in the tree line!
¿Tú juegas ajedrez?
It's me or the roads made of jelly?
I think it will rain today.
Broken spoon. Come on again. You got it. Spoony, one. Woo, woo, woo. These cops coming for. Not the hospital, man. Too many cops and vehicles. There's an ex-army surgeon owes me a few favors. And a lawnmower. He's got a place down Little Havana. Oh, look, a giant fish. Black feathered waves beating all around. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful, but so cold.
This girl's a real tiger, man. killing myself, Mario. Take it easy. I got those clothes you... Where are we?
Tommy, it's Phil. I want to thank you for helping me out back there, son. Damn Charlie, he'll always ambush you somewhere or the other. Anyway, the wound is healing well, and it means I'll no longer be defrauding the government on my disability check.
Yo! Get out the way!